Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So almost all our predictions, okay, from day to day, what analysis we are doing, it's coming correct, okay. So this definitely deserves a like button because we made money in futures and options, like very good money, okay. Now Bank Nifty has touched its all-time high, and Nifty also it's trading at its all-time high. So let's see based on today's price action, what can we do tomorrow? Okay, so hit the like button, turn the notification bell on, and let's dive into the Bank Nifty charts now. Okay, so welcome back to the Bank Nifty charts. First, let's quickly see monthly time frame what's going on. It's trying to break the last 3-4 months high. Okay, so this basically is a bullish thing. We need a good closing, okay, above this. ठीक है, so monthly time frame में एक closing चाहिए. Closing मिलने के बाद और भी अच्छा bullishness के साथ खेल सकते हैं हम. Now the weekly chart, okay, it's making a doji. Okay, so mark the high low of the doji. Trade the break of the doji. Okay, wherever it breaks, we align our trade there. And see on the weekend, I discussed this price action that Bank Nifty has given a good strong candle. So which puts can we expect to go to zero? Basically, all these puts we have captured. Okay, all of them are like decayed heavily now. Now the week is done. Okay, we made our profits, and tomorrow likely we'll make some more. But I don't check any open interest data. Like we don't look at any like thing special. Simple patterns, simple price action, simple analyzing buyers and sellers. And that's how the predictions come out correct and the accuracy goes up. Okay, so the current week it's making a doji. Let it do whatever it's doing. Okay, हो सकता है कि इस हफ्ते में because एक छुट्टी है Thursday को we have a holiday. So tomorrow naturally we don't carry any overnight positions. So let's see if it becomes a silent week or like some move takes place or not. Now let's come to the daily chart. Okay, first the daily chart, what can we see? First let's analyze today's candlestick. Today's candlestick is doji. Okay, doji means like indecision. Indecision means no buyer, no seller is winning. Okay, whenever they are not sure what they are doing, we are also not sure what we are doing. Okay, so let's assume tomorrow if it breaks this doji, so we'll be holding triangle. So we'll try to make these calls zero, and on the put side we'll try to make these put zero. Okay, assuming doji low breaks. Okay, now assume the high breaks of the doji. Okay, and it sustains for like 15 to 30 minutes. What we'll do anyways, these puts like we think which should go to zero, we'll just roll them up. Okay, and then these kind of puts we'll target and try to make them zero. That's the simple plan for tomorrow. And you know, whenever Bank Nifty crosses its all-time high, you need strong candles. Okay, here we are not getting a strong candle. I want this kind of a candle, so we are not getting that. This is not a good sign. Okay, like generally we have to wait for a good strong candle and then we can initiate aggressive positions. ऐसे price action में aggressive like positions build नहीं कर सकते हम. See on the 15-minute time frame, Bank Nifty is trading in this range. Okay, it spent some time there yesterday too. So now what we want a good candle going upside or downside here. Okay, now whenever it goes upside or downside, we'll align our trades there. Cool. So inside this range we'll probably play non-directional, and if the market is coming slowly up or down, still we'll play non-directional. Okay, tomorrow only in the cases of big candles. Okay, then we'll turn directional and then try to capture the expiry premiums. Not much to add. Okay, analysis, please check out my weekly analysis. I've covered it in depth. Now let's come to the monthly analysis of Nifty. Nifty also broke its last 2 months high. Okay, this means that Nifty is bullish. Now we have to make sure that two things happen. One, Nifty doesn't cross the current month's low, and two, it doesn't go below the last month's low. If that happens, then Nifty probably some bearishness can kick in. So let's see how the monthly candle closes there. Weekly candles, again, like we need a good strong candle closing above this. Okay, which we are not getting. So we have to be alert. Okay, you can't go and buy Nifty fresh like during this price action. See, when buyers are confident, know what kind of candles do they make? They make big Marubozu candles. If they are not confident, they'll go up slowly. So our conviction has to depend on the type of a candle also it is. Now in Nifty on the daily time frame, what I can see today it's sold off and yesterday it was a like buying day. Okay, so what does this mean for me? For me it means Nifty can do this kind of time pass for like 2-3 days at least. For me, okay, time pass is possible. Like above today's high, we'll try to be with only put sells. And if it comes down, we'll try to manage it via triangles. And same on the 15-minute time frame also, I got the same thing. So I drew a line on the high of the last 2 days and the low of the last 2 days. And I do expect market to trade sideways inside this range. Okay, inside this range, I expect non-directional traders to make money. At the break of this range or the break of the lower range, then I expect some directional move to kick in. Otherwise, like no. And keep in mind, it can be a silent like expiry because like there's a holiday also. generally market doesn't make the biggest move, okay, in the holiday week. Cool. So I think that was it from this video. Simple. I'll give you a quick summary again. बैंक निफ्टी मंथली टाइम फ्रेम पे उसका हाई निकाल रहा है, मतलब बुलिशनेस हो सकता है, इसमें बस क्लोजिंग चाहिए हमको. वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे हमको स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट क्लोज मिला था, इसलिए हमने बहुत इजीली सारे पुट्स को जीरो कर दिया अभी, और कल भी लाइक थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट करेंगे हम मोस्टली. सिंपल प्राइस एक्शन के बेसिस पे हमने ये सब किया है. एंड डेली चार्ट पे ये कैंडल्स अच्छे नहीं बन रहे हैं. देखो ये सब कैंडल्स है ना, हमको स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल्स चाहिए. तो लैक ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल्स मतलब हमारा कन्विक्शन भी बहुत हाई नहीं हो सकता है मार्केट में अभी. और आज का टाइम फ्रेम थोड़ा दोजी टाइप का है, तो दोजी में इंडिसीजन होता है, तो या तो ऊपर की तरफ निकालने दो या तो नीचे की तरफ निकालने दो, और वही डायरेक्शन में ट्रेड करेंगे हम. निफ्टी का मंथली टाइम फ्रेम पे फ्रेश बाइंग करने के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. तो अगर किसी ने बाय किया है तो उल्टा दे शुड स्टार्ट बुकिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा क्वांटिटी. एंड वीकली कैंडल पे वी नीड अ गुड कैंडल क्लोज अबव द लास्ट रिजेक्शन. ओके, तो हमको ऐसी टाइप ऑफ कैंडल चाहिए, तो हम बुलिश मानेंगे निफ्टी को फिर. एंड बिकॉज ये बायर सेलर झगड़ा कर रहे हैं अभी, मुझे लग रहा है मार्केट यही रेंज में रह सकता है 2-3 दिन, और फिर एक ऊपर या नीचे के ब्रेक में फिर ट्रेड कर सकते हैं हम. ओके, so that was it from this video. Please hit the like button if our analysis helped you. I am 100% sure if you saw my weekly analysis, you would have captured good premiums on the put side, okay, from like today and yesterday. Please hit the like button. This helps us notify YouTube that our video is like being liked by a lot of people, and in return YouTube like pushes our videos out to newer audiences, okay, which really helps us. So please hit the like button, and I'll see you tomorrow in a new video.